Have you ever thought about making money with a box truck? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Picture this: you, your own boss, cruising down the highway with a box truck loaded with goods. The box truck business is a growing industry brimming with opportunities. With the boom in e-commerce and online shopping, the demand for delivery services has skyrocketed. Now, you may ask, why a box truck? Well, it's simple. Box trucks are versatile, offering a variety of sizes to suit different loads. They're compact enough for urban deliveries, yet spacious enough to transport sizable cargo. It's this adaptability that makes them an attractive option for entrepreneurs. And the best part? The earning potential. With a well-managed box truck business, you could be looking at a substantial income. So, if you're interested in a business that offers flexibility and high earning potential, stay tuned as we dive into the world of box trucking. Before we start rolling, it's crucial to understand what a box truck is and its different sizes. So, what exactly is a box truck? Often referred to as a cube truck, cube van, or box van, a box truck is a chassis cab truck with an enclosed cuboid-shaped cargo area. On most box trucks, the cabin is separate from the cargo area, a design that allows the driver easy access to the load without leaving the cab. Pretty convenient, right? Now let's talk about the different sizes of box trucks. Just like shoes, one size does not fit all when it comes to box trucks. The size of a box truck is typically categorized by the length of its cargo area, which can range from 10 to 26 feet. 10 to 12-foot trucks are considered small box trucks. These are perfect for lighter, smaller loads, such as delivering furniture or appliances. They are easy to maneuver and ideal for navigating through narrow city streets. On the other hand, we have medium box trucks that range from 14 to 17 feet. These trucks are great for slightly larger loads, and they often come equipped with a loading dock, making the loading and unloading process a breeze. Last but not least, we have the large box trucks. These trucks, with cargo areas varying from 20 to 26 feet, are the powerhouses of the box truck world. They're designed to handle hefty loads and are commonly used for moving large quantities of goods, even an entire household. Remember, choosing the right size for your box truck isn't just about what you can drive comfortably. It's also about what type of loads you plan to carry. The right size of your box truck can significantly impact your efficiency and ultimately, your bottom line. So before you jump into this business, consider this. What kind of loads will you be carrying? What size of truck would best accommodate those loads? Remember, the right size of your box truck is a key factor in maximizing your profit. Now that you're familiar with the basics, let's explore how to kickstart your box truck business. The first step on this thrilling journey is acquiring a box truck. You have two primary options here: purchasing or leasing. Buying a truck outright can be a substantial upfront investment, but it gives you full control over your vehicle. Leasing, on the other hand, can be a more affordable option in the short run, although it might come with restrictions and additional costs over time. Evaluate your financial situation and make the choice that best suits your needs. Next, you'll need to obtain the necessary licenses and permits. The requirements can vary depending on your location, so it's essential to research your local regulations. Generally, you'll need a commercial driver's license, or CDL, and a motor carrier authority number, usually referred to as an MC number. These are legal necessities for operating a box truck business, so make sure you have all the paperwork in order before you hit the road. Now let's talk about insurance. This is a non-negotiable aspect of your business. It protects you, your truck, and your cargo from potential risks and liabilities. Different insurance coverages exist, such as liability insurance, cargo insurance, and physical damage insurance. Each serves a specific purpose, so consider your business operations and potential risks when choosing your insurance package. A crucial part of getting started with your box truck business is creating a solid business plan. This is your roadmap. It outlines your business's mission, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plans. It's not just a document for securing investments or loans, it's a tool for steering your business in the right direction and measuring progress. Starting a box truck business might seem daunting, but with the right preparation, you'll be on the road to success. So, you've got your truck and you're ready to roll. But where do you find loads? This is often the question that leaves many box truck owners scratching their heads. Fear not, as we're about to discuss some of the best ways to keep your truck loaded and your business profitable. One of the most common methods to find loads is through load boards. Think of load boards as matchmaking platforms for freight and truckers. They connect shippers with truckers looking for loads. Now the advantage of load boards is they're easy to use and often have a vast number of loads to choose from. However, keep in mind the competition can be stiff, and you may find that the rates are often on the lower side. Another way to find loads is through freight brokers. These are the middlemen of the trucking industry. They connect shippers with carriers and handle all the logistical aspects, leaving you to focus on the driving. The upside of working with freight brokers is they often have access to high-paying loads. On the flip side, they do take a cut of the profit, which means less money in your pocket. Now, if you want to eliminate the middleman, consider getting direct contracts with shippers. This method requires more legwork, as you'll have to establish relationships with businesses that need regular shipping. But the payoff can be substantial. With a direct contract, you get the full amount of the freight bill, no middlemen taking a cut. Plus, you often get consistent work, which helps with planning and budgeting. Remember, each method has its pros and cons. It's up to you to decide which fits best with your business model. You might even find that a mix of all three works best for you. Finding the right loads is crucial to keeping your box truck business profitable. So, take your time, do your research, and make sure you're making the best decisions for your business. The ultimate goal of any business is to make profits. So, how do you maximize profits in your box truck business? To make the most out of your box truck business, the first strategy is routine maintenance. Like any vehicle, a box truck needs regular checkups to ensure it's in tip-top shape. A well-maintained truck means fewer breakdowns, and fewer breakdowns mean fewer delays. And we all know, time is money. So, make sure to keep your truck's engine humming and tires inflated. Next up is route optimization. This is where you'll need to put on your thinking cap. Optimizing your routes means finding the shortest, quickest, and most efficient paths for deliveries. It's not always about the distance sometimes, it's about traffic patterns and road conditions. The aim is to save on fuel, time, and maintenance costs. There's plenty of route optimization software out there that can help you with this task, but never underestimate the value of local knowledge and experience. Now, let's talk about building relationships. This is one of the most important strategies to maximize your profits. Building robust long-term relationships with clients means consistent business. It's not just about making that one delivery, it's about becoming their go-to box truck service. To achieve this, you need to provide excellent service every time. Be punctual, reliable, and professional. Show your customers that you value their business and are willing to go the extra mile for them, literally. Another strategy is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Look for opportunities in different sectors. Maybe today you're delivering furniture, tomorrow it could be electronics. The more diverse your client base, the less likely you are to feel the pinch during slow periods in any one sector. And finally, keep an eye on your expenses. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Streamline your operations, negotiate better rates with suppliers, and keep unnecessary overheads to a minimum. With the right strategies, you can maximize your profits and make your box truck business a roaring success. Let's do a quick recap of what we've learned today. We delved into the exciting world of box truck business, unraveling the basics and understanding the different sizes of box trucks available. Remember, the size of your truck will influence the kind of loads you can carry, and subsequently, your profits. Next, we embarked on the journey of getting started with the business. We covered all the essentials from procuring your personal box truck to getting the necessary permits and insurance. Our journey then took us to the critical task of finding loads for your box truck. We explored different platforms and strategies to secure profitable loads. Lastly, we discussed how to maximize your profits in the box truck business. From efficient route planning to maintaining your truck in top-notch condition, we covered it all. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for all the latest content from Money Masters. Until next time, keep mastering your money.